No, not on this one. Crawl. This was asked in 2016. For special exams. If you done a diagram, you can start calculating center line length for only main wall. Backside wall don't consider, only main wall you consider. Schedule is given at the sides. There are three variety of doors, D1, D2, D3 of 1.2 by 2 meter, 1 meter by 2 meter, 0.8 by 2 meter. Windows are of 5 variety and shelves are given over here. Some building shelves will be given for aesthetic views. Half of the wall will be removed and brickwork will be removed, shelves will be created. And then chajja is given of 5 centimeter thick on average and 46 centimeter projection outside the wall. All dimensions are given in terms of centimeter. You need to calculate central line length for separately. For 30 centimeter wall, for 20 centimeter wall, for 10 centimeter wall. There are of 3 variety of walls are joining here. And there are of 4 variety of footings in this diagram. Circle that you will be using pi r equation over here. It is not like that. It is the arc length that you have to calculate by using equation of arc length calculation. And that can be written as length equal to 8b minus 2a divided by 3 length of arc wall, this wall. Now question comes, what is A and what is B? Okay. Yeah. B is equal to square root of A square plus L square small l. Now question comes, what is A and L? Okay. Now first we'll find out what is L. Small l can be calculated as R plus W divided by 2 R plus W divided by 2 R is the rise of the wall, that is here 60 is given internal, that is R, and W is wall thickness, that is 30 centimeter. That can be calculated easily. And A is horizontal distance of the arc length is total of 2A. It is given as to A. Therefore, A will be half of horizontal distance. Half of horizontal distance. Now got how to calculate the length of arc arc. Now you can calculate, I think. Plan is over for everyone. Ritesh. Okay, we can start the length calculation. Length of arc can be calculated as, I'll do the calculations over here. That will be of, first we'll calculate for small l equal to, rise is 0.6 meter, 60 centimeter it is given, plus wall thickness is 0.3 divided by 2. That can be written as 0.75. 0.75 will be the small value, small l value, and A value can be written as the total 2A is given. You can see the plan. 2A is given, that is length of the width of living room, that is 350 centimeter. That can be written as 3.5 meter plus both the side half of wall thickness, that will be of 0.3. Therefore, it will be of, therefore A can be written as A equal to 3.8 divided by 2, that is 3.5 plus 0.3 is of 3.8 divided by 2 is of 1.9 is A value, and B value can be calculated as B is equal to square root of A square plus L square. You can calculate that value, 0.75 square plus 1.9 square answer will be how much? 2.04. Tell me the answer, B value. Equation is given to everyone. 2.04 B value. Once you got B value, then you can write expression for length calculation of arc, that is given as 8B. 8 into B is 2.04 minus 2 into A value is 1.9. Get complete divided by 3. Therefore, value will be how much? Is same value you are getting, 173 you are getting, that can be written as 17. Okay, 17 length can be written. Next, total center line length you can calculate for 30 centimeter wall. Total center line length.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
हेलो सर, एक बार वो स्मॉल एल और बी ये सब बताओ डायग्राम में क्या है.
The arc length calculation equation is of L equal to capital L equal to 8b minus 2a divided by 3. In that, b can be calculated as b equal to square root of a square plus L square. L square is small L square. Okay, and L can be given as R plus W divided by 2. R is rise. R is rise. That is 60 centimeter is given in the figure. We can see. And W divided by 2 is wall thickness divided by 2 it is. Okay. And A is the horizontal distance of one side. Okay. Total is of 2A. Half you have to consider, that will be of 350 is internal, center to center if you are considering, that will be 3.5 plus 0.3, both the side half of wall thickness if you are adding, divided by 2 will be A value. Therefore, A value will be 1.9. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, fine. You can continue the calculation part. Total center line length of 30 centimeter wall. We calculate only for 30 centimeter wall. Okay? That can be given as 4.17 is arc length. That will be as it is, plus this wall is over. Next, this wall I can consider, that will be of 4.5 is internal length. This side is up to center only. We are not going to add any extra length over here because already your center line length is calculated up to this point for arc wall. Therefore, only this side you have to add, that will be 4.5 plus 0.15, only half wall thickness, one side. That can be written as 4.5 plus 0.15 plus this wall will be same as this wall. These two wall will be of same length is there. Therefore, into 2 I can do. Therefore, I can complete as into 2. That will be same. Therefore, I am multiplying it by 2. These two walls are over. Next is of this wall you can consider. That is horizontal width internal is 3.5 plus both the side half of wall thickness. That will be 3.8. 3.8 plus one more room is there. This room, this length you can calculate. That is also 30 centimeter wall. Therefore, you can consider as 4 meter is horizontal internal plus both the side half of wall thickness is 4.3. That can be given as 4.3 into 2 because there are two walls that is of same length. This wall and this wall both will be of same length. Therefore, I will be writing multiply by 2. Only remaining wall is of this wall. 30 centimeter wall only we are considering. Therefore, this wall can be written as internal length is 3 meter and center to center if you are considering, that will be of 3.3 meter. Okay. Therefore, you can write plus 29.17 as everyone is calculating. It can be written as 29.17 will be of 30 centimeter wall thickness. Okay. This is all the calculation part, and this is the length calculation. Next, similarly calculate for total center line length for 20 centimeter wall. Centimeter wall. This room dimension is of 240 by 300. 300, there are two walls, that is of vertical, and horizontal. One wall is there, that is of 240. It is a 20 centimeter wall, therefore it will be of 2.4 plus both the side half of wall thickness is of 2.6. Therefore, you can write 2.6 plus horizontal. Vertical is of 300 plus both the side half of wall thickness you have to add. That will be one side will be of 10 centimeter and another side it will be of 15 centimeter, because one side 30 centimeter wall is there, one side 20 centimeter wall is there. Therefore, it will be 3.25 center to center. You can write as 2 into 3.25. Yeah, this side is of 20 centimeter and this side is of 30 centimeter wall is there. Therefore, it has to be 3 plus one side 0.1, one side 0.15. That will be of 3.25. There are of same two walls, therefore it will be multiplied by 2. And next, calculate for bathroom and WC. This wall length can be calculated, that is of 20 centimeter. That can be written as 160 plus 120 is of 280 plus in between one wall thickness is there, that is of 10 centimeter. That will be of 290. Plus this side is of 20 centimeter wall is there, therefore 10 centimeter you have to add. And here 30 centimeter wall is there, there you have to add 15 centimeter. That will be of 3.15 total. You can write 3.15 into 2. And this horizontal wall you have to consider, that will be of 180 centimeter, that is 1.8 meter. Center to center if you are considering, that will be both the side 10 centimeter extra. That will be of 2 meter. Is that clear? Any doubt in calculating 20 centimeter wall dimensions? Now find out what will be the length for 20 centimeters. That will be 2.6 plus 2 into 3.25 plus 3.15 into 2 plus 2. How much will be the total? 17.4. That will be of 17.4. For 30 to 30, how many T junctions are there? 30 to 30, how many T junctions are there? That is at, this is a one node where this continuation wall is there and this wall is joining. Therefore, it will create a T junction. And here also one more T junction is there. That is of, this is a continuation wall and this is a connecting wall. That will be of T junctions. And here this T junction, this T junction, this one and this one are 20 to 30 centimeter. That is not 30 to 30 centimeter. Therefore, these two only the T junctions of 30 centimeter. That is of main wall. Therefore, it will be of only 2. Here, how many T junctions are there of 30 centimeter to 20 centimeter wall? Find out that also. 30 सेंटीमीटर और 20 सेंटीमीटर के बीच में कितना T जंक्शन? We can see over here. Here is a T junction because of 30 and 20 centimeter joining. Here is a T junction because of 30 and 20 centimeter joining. Here is a T junction because of 20 and 30 centimeter, and here is a T junction because of 20 and 30 centimeter. There are 4 T junctions because of 20 centimeter which are joining to 30 centimeter. Okay, there is no other T junctions of 20 centimeter to 30 centimeter. Only 4 are there. Okay, therefore we can write 4. Okay. Next, we need to find out how many T junctions are there, T joints are there. Between 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter. 20 to 20, there is no T junction only, therefore we will be leaving it. Between 20 to 30, 20 and 10 centimeter, there is of, here is a 1 T junction and here is a 1 T junction. You can see over here, this is a 10 centimeter wall. 10 centimeter center to center length also. Total center line length of 10 centimeter wall. Centimeter wall center to center length will be how much? This is of 1.8 meter. Only one wall is there, that is of 1.8 meter. Center to center, if you are considering, that will be both the side 20 centimeter walls are there, therefore it will be of 2 meter. This is all the center line length calculation for your complete structure. Continuation to this, will be having cross section of this one. See the cross section diagram, how it looks. For 30 centimeter wall is separate. You can see this wall is separate, and for 20 centimeter wall, footing is separate. And there are 2 pillars, front and back side, that is footing is separate. In 10 centimeter wall, for that also the footing is, for 10 centimeter footing is not there. For front side and back side, veranda is there, for that footing is there. For 10 centimeter, from plinth level it will start. Okay, till then 10 centimeter wall will be not at all existing at all, because there is no footing below the 10 centimeter wall, which is here. You can see here where the selection portion is there. Here there is no footing for 10 centimeter wall. Okay, therefore we have done one numerical in the simple sum also, where we are not considering the footing for partition wall up to the plinth. Here also same, for 10 centimeter there is no footing.